Fourth axis action. Start with this part, throw it in the vise and it gets this part trimmed. On this fixture right here. Set that sucker on there like so. When it's done, it took those marks off of there. Or took that chunk. You can see on there the difference. Nothing crazy. Then I deburr it. Then I flip it upside down. Throw it in there. The face mill takes that off. And then we throw it on here. On the fourth axis. Well, the stuff I got to do for this fourth axis, but I'm learning something new. It's always a plus. Feather in the cap, ladies and gentlemen. So I got to use this guy and delicately take this off. Got to blow everything off. Nice and tidy. We're gonna go step by step here, if that's all right with you. You don't want to strip these either. You want to be nice. It's like a hubcap, kind of when you're tapping a hubcap on or putting a rim on a tire. Kind of like that method. Let's go ahead and get started. That ought to be good. You can do it by hand the rest of the way, but you got to push on the plate. Fun, fun, fun till your daddy takes your T-bird away. Usually the last one's a little bit tough. We'll see. Oh, what's up? And this one has a 1032 tap, quarter 20 tap, 5/8 16 tap, and a 1/2 inch 13 tap. And a 406 hole, and the quarter 20 is inside there. It's counterboard. But that's the part. It's been face milled. Got some work done on the first vise. And on the fourth axis there, this thing turns, and that's how I'm getting all these. Because it turns, loud noises. So now, well, on this side over here, we got this vise here, but I gotta do some measurements, make sure this is good. Normally it comes out all the same, but this is cast iron and it varies. So you want to make sure it's good, otherwise I got to run it again. And yes, you can put it back in the vise. Only sometimes though. I'm running two machines right now, but I'm focused on this one. I'm hyper focused on this one. My other machine's over there. Just sitting right now. I'm getting a finisher added to to my job, because I'll tell you why in a little minute. Let me get my calipers really quick.
You going cool or what?
Oh yeah. 4.748 is what I'm looking for. Got my calipers here. Oh, it could be better. Gotta love it. Let's see what the next one is. I think it's 4.0. 4.740. Oh, it's so money. I got up to a 7.405 too, so that's at 1.5. So we're riding good. I'm gonna get my deburr knife and dig out a little bit here. Also, this has to be 1.250. 1.25. Oh, it's right on the money. Well, you gotta do both. Oh yeah, looking good. I'm a happy man. This is a deburr knife. Got a little whip on there. Little rat tail. This thing spins around. It's pretty nifty. Stop your blood clot crying. There we go. Get the, this is the torque one. This is the torque handle. Kurt torque handle. Wrench. It clicks. Pretty nifty. Also, this has to be 750. We gotta make sure that's good too. It's gotta be 750 right here, 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 and here, because doors have to line up. And if this doesn't, if it's not accurate, the doors don't line up. Very crucial moment in time. Deburring on a pedestal grinder. That's dangerous. You gotta be careful. Got deburr right now. Give you a chance to inspect it too. Make sure nothing's wrong with it cosmetically. But this is all just to put the part in the freaking machine. You believe that? That sucker goes right there. Like so. And the plate goes on there. Gotta blow it out. You can't have chips in your part. That's how things go south right quick. Oh yeah, get her in here. Just do it finger tight for now. Not even finger tight, just get it on there so it can hang out. I had something on the threads. This song sucks. That one always gives me trouble. There we go. I'm only doing it a little tight because I gotta place this thing in there nice. Just enough so I can press it against. I gotta press it against the pins, like 100%. See, you hear that click? Bang, that's what I want to hear. That's what I like, man. Now you're talking to me, baby. That I like. Little Scarface for you. Say you never die, you'll always home. There goes Chris. He doesn't know I'm recording right now. Otherwise he would have said hello. Christopher! And you can see through the little window there if you're hitting it. You're hitting it nice. Now, make sure it's all snug on here. I just want to be right by your side. This is the 4th axis, ladies and gentlemen. Tons of fun. Awesome to learn, but wow. Everything's got to be perfect. You know what I'm saying? This guy's done. That's the complete part. Did I show you already? Look at that fancy part. Yeah. Now we gotta take the part out of the first vise. Gotta grab the other T-wrench. What? T-back. Oh. Just kidding. bad stuff. Don't talk like that. I'll show you how this is set up too. This is kind of funky. Pretty jacked up situation there. Someone hit this bad boy. This sucker's pretty heavy duty. Got that cut out. That cut out. This part. Let's deburr this bad boy. Say hi. That's the man right there. Looks good. Got all the bird. That's quite the process. We're like 14 minutes deep. That's this one comes off of there, and then it flips 180 to the right. 3 clicks.
Don't be dumb.
Don't be dumb. You hear that? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Don't get it crazy. You do 4, 3. 4 clippity doodas, yo. Clicks. This is a new one. Look what it's. Oh, it says the name on here. 17 minutes. So this one, there's 3 points on here. You see those little points right here? Like so. This goes on there, back on there. Do a finger tight and push it against the pins. This one, there can't be any daylight coming through the pins, otherwise you'll lose your job.
You'll lose your job.
Okay? We'll do a 1/4 of a turn and take a gander. It's not gonna move every time, okay? But just in case.
What you carry is another day. But did you know the goodness knows my eyes become a fire to shine and see.
That should be good. Tap this sucker. I like using the edge of the dead blow hammer because you can hear it hit the vise better. That looks good. I'm gonna do another tap. I don't like the way it looks. Let the fun begin.
Let the fun begin. Let the fun begin. Let the fun begin. Let the fun begin.
Handy tools, deburring tools that every machinist should have. I'm a wannabe machinist though, not a real machinist. I'm a wannabe machinist, button pusher if you will. Call it what you want. Still making that cheddar. And it has like a ratcheting clickety deal. Very nice. Very nice. Almost done with this part though. See the process? And you don't give a what, and you won't just put up with the bull because they fooled it too. So that's a 406 counterbore, and it's perfect. It's a little big actually. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. But I haven't comped it at all. That's how it came. But that's how the machine did it. And it's cast iron, fractional. Fractional means I got 30 thou on each side, plus or negative. That's it. That's the part. All for you guys, for your viewing pleasure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'm not sponsored by Haas or anything like that. I just run these suckers at work and make videos. So hope you like it. Peace out.
I said this to Mayberry, and he's like, oh man. Look at the back of that. Oh, it looks.
Oh, that's weird. It's like a spaceship, dude.
Yeah. 1960 Caddy.
That's a Cadillac, huh?
Yeah.
Huh. That's weird, dude. I've never seen that before. Maybe I've seen a black one, dude.
I want 28 or LS engine or something.
How is it though?
Well, yeah, you gotta redo it.
Yeah, it's like skeleton.
No, it's not too bad.
Oh, dude, look at that.
The front and the back is pretty nice.
That thing's gangster, dude. Are you
Actually,
kidding me?
like 10 grand on it.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
That's why I said when I saw it, I'm gonna show.
Yeah, I forget he likes them.
Oh yeah, he's gonna get a watch on that.